Question 6 asks us to solve the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 to one decimal place. Well, that indicates we're going to have to use the quadratic equation. So we can say a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals negative 1. To solve using the quadratic equation, it has to be equal to 0. It already is, so that's okay. So we can substitute these numbers into the quadratic equation. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, square root all of that, divided by 2a. So it's negative 3 plus or minus the square root. 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, times negative 1 is plus 8, divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. So it's negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 17 over 4. Now if we do with a plus first in the calculator, we're going to get that answer, so I'll put that down first. So x equals 0.280776, etc. And if we change it to a minus, we get that, put that down too. So therefore, if we're going to round it to one decimal place, x is equal to 0.3 and negative 1.8 to one decimal place. In question 7, we're told that we've got a cylindrical oil tank. We've got a radius of 2.5, 3 meters across there, and we've got to find this measurement D. So I've already made it into a right angled triangle here by completing that vertically. So if I can work out this measurement here, I can subtract it from 2.5 and that'll give me my depth there. So this little triangle, we've got 3 meters across the way, so that little bit's going to be 1.5. I'm just going to call this one B here. So we know that B squared is going to be the hypotenuse squared, subtract 1.5 squared. So that'll be 6.25, subtract 2.25, which is equal to 4. So B is equal to the square root of 4, which is going to be equal to 2. So that's equal to 2. Now remember, that is 2.5 from here to here. So D is equal to 2.5 meters, subtract 2 meters equals 0.5 meters.